You can see every one of these right here. See them? Yeah, for sure. Now, I know some of you guys are always like, well, is it bodies or wicks? It depends. Right here, I went by body because the body here, the body here, and the body here. See how there's three of them? So that means it's more the body than the wicks. If it was wick, right? They all kept stopping. I would use the wicks instead of the body. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
So really, I mean, look, wick, body, and wick. See them?
Yep.
So it
Yep.
really just depends on which one is giving it more weight, just like here. So you've got body, wick, body, bodies, body. See them?
Yes, sir.
And that's how we'll break that down. So think about it. If we were trading this, it breaks through here. We're looking to here, looking to here, looking to here, and then we'd map the next one, right? Otherwise, what it'll do is it'll come down. Well, oops. It will come down, right? Pop up, break through, channel, come down, channel, touch, break. Do you see how this is starting to work? Do you see how it starts to play out when we're watching it?